Guys, welcome back to another video, and today's my birthday, so we have a very special day. I am going to review on a bunch of fidget toys. This is going to be sick. Alright, let's start. Alright, first we got a fidget spinner poppet. Easy 10 out of 10, yeah. Well, I'm actually using a scale 1 to 6. Not 1 to 6, 0 to 7. It's actually 0 to 7. And yeah, this is a good one. 6 out of 10. I mean 6 out of 7, sorry. I keep messing up. I'm just so used to 10 out of 10 and stuff. Yeah. But anyways, these space-themed thingies, these space infinity cubes, they're part of the same set. And yeah, I got these two for my birthday. As well as this guy, this bad fat thingy. Not bad fat. It's good. It's great. I mean good, bad is... This bad boy is the best. One of them. No, it's just 6 out of 10. I mean 6 out of 7. But yeah, these guys are easy 10 out of 10 because I love space. Just like Spacey or Space Squirrel from Portal 2. Oh, shut up. You're too obsessed with it. Of course he is. He's just a game object. Tangle. Okay, anyways, this is called a tangle. Literally, it's just called a tangle. Isn't that funny? Tangle. I have a tangle, I have the tangle, I have the good old tangle. Woohoo! Look at this tangle! Tangle it all up! Tangle, 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 tangle all you. Next is this guy. It's a puzzle fidget toy. I take it all apart into pieces. And yeah, let me assemble it. You can trust me easily now that I'm showing you what I have. How am I dumb? I'm just kidding, I'm not dumb. Of course, yeah. Okay, this one just does not want to go in. Come on, shove in, shove in, shove in. Hurry, 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 hurry. Or else. Okay. This won't come in. Well, that's screwed. That's screwed. That's so stupid. What the heck? What? There we go. Finally got it. Did not break anything. Don't worry. I just had a hard time. And then shoving solved. Anyways, next thing, this guy. It's green. Cool. It's a infinity cube again. 7 out of 7. Oh, I forgot to rate this one. 7 out of 7. Okay, this guy. 7 out of 7. The best one in the world. One of them. Until you go to the sky. The UFO top. Dark time. Let me glow it up. Let me make it glow. Glow in the dark time. Look at them. Oh wait, I need to brighten up all of them. I need all of them to light up. We need all of them to light up. Bright as a star. Almost as bright. Just kidding. Look at this cool top. This is easy. 7 out of 7. When you glow the bottom. Okay, I'm really like trying to hurry. I'm in a hurry before everything goes dark. Look at him. Look at this. Look at this sick thing. How cool is that? This is just a black light flashlight or UV light. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed that video, and I'll see you on the video. Goodbye. Also, before we go, my all-time favorite, this guy and this guy. I've always dreamed about getting one of these. They're so cool.